This is Bolero, a behind-the-ear hearing aid with a slim tube. To clean it, you will need the following tools: cloth, brush, cleaning wire, and drying beaker. Routine care of your hearing aid is important for maintaining the best sound possible and for extending the life of your hearing aid. First, examine the hearing aid. Check for any wax or dirt, particularly near the dome and the area on the top side of the hearing aid near the microphones. Use your clean, dry cloth to remove wax and dirt from the hearing aid. You can also use a brush to remove any wax or dirt near the microphones and the dome. Check the inside of the tube for wax or dirt. You can remove this using a cleaning wire. Turn the tube anti-clockwise to detach it from the hearing aid. Insert the cleaning wire and push it through the entire length of the tube. When finished, reattach the tube to the hearing aid by turning the tube clockwise. When you are not using your hearing aid, leave the battery door open so that any moisture can evaporate. You should dry your hearing aid overnight. A drying beaker can assist you with moisture removal. Please make sure to remove the battery.